Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, MyDataVersion. In this video series, we are going to dive into the wonderful world of Microsoft Excel. As we know that as a data analyst, how much Microsoft Excel is important for us. If you haven't checked it out, the roadmap of a data analyst, I am mentioning the video link in the I button. Please check it out. So whether you are a beginner or someone looking to brush up their skills, in this video, we will provide you all the essential knowledge to become a Excel pro, teaching you Excel from basics to the advanced level, so that each and everyone could start practice and enhance their skills. So let's get started. So here what you are seeing is the Excel interface. Don't worry, it is look like a overwhelming for you right now, but I'm ensuring that by the end of this video series, you will be navigating throughout like a pro, right? So the upper class of the interface is known as Tool, File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, Help. These are all called tabs. Just below it, elements like clipboard, fonts, alignment, number, styles, cells, editing. These are all called ribbons. In downwards, we have sheets. So we can add up n number of sheets as much as we want. In the left side, we have number series. This is all called rows, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, they are called columns. So please remember, it's column numbering rows, and in this part it is called name box. So wherever you click, for example I am clicking here, so the column name and the row name is captured over here. This is called formula box, so you can add up any kind of formula. So I have made this data set to explaining you regarding some functionality of Excel. Here we have serial number. So if you are thinking I have just mentioned by the count, so let's see it. Either you can capture like this, if you click on enter 10, then enter 11. So to make it more easier, just click on this number, drag till where you want, and click on that autofill option, click on fill series, and see the magic. It, it get autofilled. Here you can observe one thing. Number series are placing in the right side of the cell, but the text are placing on the left side of the cell. So this is what how we can differentiate numbers from the text. So as you see, so as you can see, if something is captured on the right side, it is number, and if it is placed in the left side, it is text. So I want to rename my data version, and for example if you want to make it more colorful to make differentiation, just click on other sheet, click on that sheet, click on right, tap color. You can choose anyone which you like. For example I am choosing this gray color, or make it more highlighted, so I want to choose it gray. Alright, so here I have mentioned some average, count, max, min. So in today's agenda, we are going to find out some average, count, max, min, either by formula or by the automation. Now let's see how it is going to happen. First click on that cell. First we are using formula. So as we all know that if we are using formula, first we need to start with equal to, right, sum. So we have multiple functionality like sum if, some ifs, some product. So these things we will see later on in some video. As of now we are using sum, so click on it, or you can use tab. Now here they are asking for the range. So what we need to do, just click on this ranges right from here till here. You can close the bracket, press enter. So this is how we get the right sum of this series. So now question is that if I want to automate it, means I do not want to use formula and just automate the things. So click on delete option. So same thing, try with every series. Select the series, go for sum. Now average. So let's first start with the formula. For formula, as we know, we have to start from the equals to. Just click on average. So we have right here. Click on tab. So we have to give the ranges right from here till here. Sorry, here. So Excel is very smart. Either you want to close the bracket or not, just click on enter. It will automatically capture. So if I want to automate this, select the range, click on average, and see the magic. So if I will click on it, you can see the formula that we used. And one more thing I want to tell here, you need not to go through the each and every step like selecting range and again click on this. Rather than you can just click on the number as already formula mentioned, drag till here, and you can get all the averages from the given ranges. So same thing for the count, select the range, click on count number. So as you can see we have 5 series, so number of count is 5. Drag and drop for the maximum, click on the series, click on max option, and here you can cross check the result. So in this series we have maximum of 546, and if I drag and drop, now to make it more effective and more good looking, you can select the data, go in the table format, all borders, and you can see. Yeah, one more thing I want to just discuss, which I use on a daily basis. Select the area, click on all borders, and if you want to merge two cells, or maybe three or four, for example, now as of now I'm selecting this four. Either you can use this option merge and center, or you can we have a shortcut key for that, that is Alt HMC. So when I play, so when I use it, you can see we have the output. Same I want to do with this too, Alt HMC, and it got merged. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video series, I'm going to explaining regarding the conditional formatting and all the functionalities step by step. So if you like this video, click on the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this channel. Thank you.